Yo, what's up everybody? How you doing? Back with another video. Oh, okay. So, can I put you up here? No. Go you down here. I know where to put you here. So today I got a special surprise for you. And it's going to make my video a whole lot better, okay? So, I got some scissors right here. And, you probably already know what that means. It means that we're going to be unboxing something. So let me get that now. It's a microphone. It's a microphone and it makes my quality better because it comes with this. So you can plug it in with phones and hopefully can make a whole lot of better quality sounding videos. I can't believe I just pulled that out. So yeah, we're going to go and get unboxing this uncut. So yeah, let's try to do this. That scared me. And I'm going to be getting my hair cut, not the top, just the sides and the back. So yeah, my hair's probably gonna look bad, but hopefully it's good. Okay, it says singing microphone. Create joy through music. I will. Hopefully I can be making some music. So I think I got that all done. Here we go. Just gonna take this part out here. Dynamic microphone. I'll read all that in a second. Right now I'm just focused on opening this up. Every time I have one of these, this is my second time. No, this is my third time having one of these. I always end up breaking it, but hopefully I do not break it. Okay, let's get this piece out right here. I'll show you every single detail. Whoops. See that? Hopefully that would fit in my phone. Maybe we'll have to take my phone case off. But yeah, here's the microphone. Do y'all know, like, big puffy thing that goes over microphones? I do not like that one bit. Okay, so I got a speaker right here, and I'm about to plug it up, bro. I don't see how this thing's so I just gotta go find this extension cord, so I'll be right back. Good news, guys. I found a extension cord. Okay, guys, now I'm gonna find the amp thing. So I'm not gonna cut this video. No, I would say this would be an uncut video, but I should've got everything. I was excited. This was $9. That is the most money I've spent on the microphone. Actually, they used to be lower, like $5 or $6. They turned them up to $9. I'm getting over excited. So I'm gonna go find this. I'll be right back. I have found it, guys. Oh, are you guys? Oh my. Yikes. Ooh. Oh my. I can't wait to go back and rewatch that. That's probably funny. Okay, so, this goes to my amp. I'm just gonna see. Wow, that would have been really bad. I got everything turned all the way up. Because I haven't had a microphone or an instrument in a really long time. I broke them all, and all my instruments are actually over at my friend's house. So let's plug this in. Let's see if it turns red. It turns red, okay. Now, let's plug the microphone in. Plugged it in, okay. Let's turn it on. This is off. Let's turn the volume of the microphone up. Hello? Oh, that's bad. Hello? Hello? Let's turn this up. Hello? Hey, yo. That's cool. So, yeah, guys, hopefully when I plug this into my phone, better sound quality. Hey, this is cool. I just turned it all the way up. I gotta be quiet. So, do you like turtles? I'm gonna stop talking now. I'll be right back. Anyway, guys, I will see you in the next video. This sound quality will be plugged in to my phone with this, and hopefully it makes the sound quality a lot better. Peace, I'm out.